How to play with friends in Zooba. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Playing with friends in Zooba is easy once you know how the invitation method works. First of all, launch open the Zooba game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby page, you'll see a little plus icon on the center. Just tap on that, and then you can tap on share invite. Now, you'll be able to generate an invitation link. Click on the copy button at the top to copy the invitation link. Now you can go ahead and use any social messaging platforms, email, SMS, or select a direct contact from here and then go ahead and follow through the instructions. After you find the contact, just go ahead and select the contact and you'll be able to send the game invite to the contact. Once your friend clicks on the link and joins into the game, you'll be able to play the game together. Once accepted, you both enter the same game and start playing. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.